For today's dinner, I'm going to try to use some of the leaves that I harvested from my garden. So this is Rutabaga leaves and Kohlrabi leaves. So what I'm going to do is sort of go through it and try to see which ones are nice and which ones are not so nice. This one is kind of old and damaged, but all the others seems to be good. I don't want that one. I kind of want the tender leaves like these. And of course this will be for another meal. The roots. So let's see, what do we have here? These are all good. Now the Rutabaga is a little bit rough. Like there are a lot of yellows that I would not want to eat. Some of these have some kind of bug damage maybe. I don't want to eat that either. So maybe just a few inner leaves. They're a little bit wilted because I picked these on the morning and now it's on the evening, so they were just sitting here wilting away. So let's see. These few leaves. Okay, so I have a good bunch of leaves. I'm gonna go wash them nicely and chop them up. Now I'm just gonna chop them into bite-sized pieces, roughly. They will shrink as I saute them because that's what I'm gonna do with them. So you can make it a little bit bigger than bite-size, but the smaller you cut it, the faster they're gonna cook. And I'm also using most of the stem. The other thing I need is going to be garlic. That's from my garden, so 2 cloves of garlic. Go ahead and put some bacon grease. I would say a big tablespoon. That's all I have. Then I'm gonna go ahead and just start sauteing the leaves. Nice pinch of salt. Black pepper, and then I'll put the garlic in once this reduced enough so it's almost ready to go. Cover this up for the first 5 minutes or so and then we're gonna saute it. While this is sauteing, I'm gonna slice some homemade bread. point, I'm gonna put in my garlic. Now it smells good. Even better. I turned down the heat to medium. Let's try this. It's still a little hot, so what I'm gonna have to do is put a little water and steam this a little longer. I had to end up cooking this for like a half an hour. Let's see. Good. Now I'm gonna put some Parmesan cheese on this. And here's my bread. I think I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil on my bread. Of salt, and then fry all this up. Ooh, nice and cheesy. A bit more cheese. So this will be my dinner. I'm gonna enjoy it.